Hold on to your hats, folks, because the robots are coming. But not in the way you might think. Forget giant metal warriors. These robots are smarter and more capable of automating mundane and repetitive daily tasks. They're called artificial intelligence, or AI for short, and they're already changing our world in ways we never imagined. AI can learn, adapt, and even make decisions just like us. But here's the catch. AI is getting so good, it might be coming for our jobs. Imagine a world where millions of people wake up to find their jobs obsolete. It sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but experts warn it could become our reality. Think about it. Self-driving cars could replace taxi drivers and truckers. Robots in factories could assemble products faster and cheaper than human workers. Even tasks like data entry and customer service are being automated by AI. Don't think this is some distant future problem. The robots are already here, and they're winning. Companies are replacing human workers with AI systems at an alarming rate. Why? Because AI can work 24/7, doesn't need breaks or vacations, and never complains about the workload. It's a no-brainer for businesses looking to cut costs and boost profits. Section 4. Which jobs are in danger? So which jobs are most at risk? The bad news is, it's not just blue-collar jobs in manufacturing and transportation. AI is coming for white-collar jobs too. Accountants, lawyers, even doctors could see their roles transformed or even eliminated as AI becomes more sophisticated. If your job involves repetitive tasks, data analysis, or following a set of rules, watch out. The robots might be coming for you. Section 5. A glimmer of hope? Okay, before you panic and hide under your desk, there is some good news. The rapid advancement of AI technology is not just about machines taking over human jobs, it's also about creating new opportunities and transforming the way we work and live. While AI might take over some jobs, it will also create new ones. For instance, as AI systems become more prevalent, there will be a growing need for individuals who can work alongside these systems, ensuring they function correctly and efficiently. This means new roles in AI oversight, maintenance, and collaboration. We'll need people to design, build, and maintain all those robots and AI systems. Engineers will be at the forefront, creating innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Designers will craft intuitive interfaces and user experiences, making AI accessible to everyone. There will be a surge in demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and robotics engineers. These professionals will be crucial in interpreting vast amounts of data, developing sophisticated algorithms, and ensuring that AI systems are both safe and effective. Their expertise will drive the next wave of technological innovation. The key is to adapt and develop new skills that are in high demand in the age of AI. Continuous learning and upskilling will be essential. Educational institutions and training programs are already evolving to meet this need, offering courses in AI, machine learning, and data science. By embracing these opportunities, individuals can position themselves at the cutting edge of the AI revolution, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive in the job market. So while the rise of AI may seem daunting, it also brings with it a glimmer of hope for a future filled with new possibilities and advancements. Section 6. Elon Musk's warning. Even tech billionaire Elon Musk, a champion of AI, has expressed concerns about its potential impact on jobs. Musk has been vocal about the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and the potential consequences it could have on the workforce. He has often highlighted the dual-edged nature of AI, where on one hand it promises unprecedented efficiency and innovation, but on the other, it poses significant risks to employment as we know it. He once said, "AI is likely to take over most jobs in the future." This isn't just a distant possibility, it's a reality that's already beginning to unfold. In various industries, from manufacturing to customer service, AI systems are being implemented to perform tasks that were once the domain of human workers. These systems can operate around the clock, without breaks, and with a level of precision and consistency that humans simply can't match. Musk believes that we need to start thinking about a future where robots do most of the work and humans have more leisure time. This vision of the future isn't just about job displacement, it's also about redefining what work means. If machines handled the mundane and repetitive tasks, humans could potentially focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling activities. Imagine a world where people have the freedom to pursue their passions, engage in lifelong learning, and contribute to society in more meaningful ways. But how will we support ourselves in a world without jobs? This question brings us to the heart of the debate about the future of work. Some experts suggest that we might need to rethink our economic models entirely. Concepts like universal basic income, UBI, have been proposed as potential solutions where every citizen receives a regular unconditional sum of money from the government to cover their basic needs. This could provide a safety net in a world where traditional employment is no longer the norm. It's a question that has no easy answers. The transition to an AI-driven economy will undoubtedly be complex and fraught with challenges. Policymakers, business leaders, and society at large will need to collaborate to navigate this uncharted territory. While the future remains uncertain, one thing is clear. The conversation about AI and its impact on jobs is one that we must continue to have with urgency and foresight. Section 7. The future is coming. Fast. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the pace of technological advancement is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. Every day we witness breakthroughs that were once the stuff of science fiction. From the rapid development of artificial intelligence to the integration of smart technologies in our daily lives, the future is unfolding before our eyes. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's happening faster than we ever imagined. Machines are learning, adapting, and evolving, taking on tasks that were once the sole domain of humans. In industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, AI is transforming the way we work and live. These intelligent systems are not just tools, they are becoming our partners in innovation, driving efficiency, and opening up new possibilities. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear. We need to be prepared. As automation and AI continue to evolve, the job market is undergoing a seismic shift. Traditional roles are being redefined and new opportunities are emerging. To thrive in this dynamic environment, we must be agile, adaptable, and ready to embrace change. This means not only acquiring new technical skills, but also fostering creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. That means embracing lifelong learning, developing new skills, and continuously updating our knowledge base. Educational institutions and training programs are evolving to meet these needs, offering innovative solutions like online courses, virtual reality training, and immersive workshops. By staying curious and committed to personal growth, we can navigate the complexities of the future job market and adapting to the changing demands of the job market. Collaboration between humans and machines is becoming the norm, and this synergy is driving unprecedented levels of productivity and creativity. By leveraging the strengths of both human intuition and machine precision, we can tackle challenges that were once insurmountable. The robots might be coming, but that doesn't mean we have to lose. Instead, we can harness their capabilities to enhance our own. By working alongside intelligent machines, we can achieve more than ever before. This partnership has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve quality of life, and create a more sustainable future. The future is what we make it. It's a canvas waiting for our ideas, innovations, and aspirations. Visionary leaders and forward-thinking individuals are already shaping this future, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration, we can build a world that reflects our highest ideals and values. But how will this all play out? The path ahead is filled with both opportunities and challenges. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must remain vigilant, ethical, and inclusive. The choices we make today will determine the trajectory of our future. Will we use technology to create a more equitable and just society, or will we allow it to widen the gaps between us? Stay tuned to find out. The journey is just beginning, and there's so much more to explore. Join us as we delve deeper into the innovations that are shaping our world, and discover how we can all play a part in creating a brighter future by collaborating with AI, and use this opportunity for the benefit of humankind.